Part 2 of the brow series on how to map your brows, really basic, so that you feel confident in filling them in. So we've already covered part 1, which is to find the place where your brows are supposed to start. Now let's go to part 2, where we are going to talk about where your brow is supposed to end. So I'm just going to dip into my contour color. It's a cream with this brush, and we are going to talk about where your brow is supposed to end. So again, you're going to use your nose as an anchor, okay? And then you're going to take this through the outside corner of your eye. Okay, so let's do this. See if I can do it. I have to look up here. And that, my friends, is where your brow is supposed to end. So now when you go to fill in, you know your beginning and your last end point. Next, we'll tackle where the arch is supposed to be. So stay tuned for that.